African lady, king man love you. I might love you. Yes, I said it. Don't mess with CGI Insurance. They got to be the worst ones on this island of Grenada. But guess what? They're gonna pay me my money. Ha! And I'm gonna be real nice about it. I ain't gonna be rude like they were. They didn't just hold my money. They freaking rude, Mom. You don't owe somebody and be rude. And there was so much involved, oh God, other stuff involved, like police and other stuff that really, really deserves some kind of stern, something. How much, Mom?
I don't want to buy more. This is five. Five of them.
Thank you. Yes, Queen. Watermelon today. I might love you. African lady, king man love you. I might love you. I'm sorry, y'all. That song's in my head. I can't get it out my head. I'm telling you, his name is King Ajamu. King Ajamu. Check him out. Go to YouTube. He's one of the best that ever did it here in Grenada. When it comes to soca, parang, yes. The rain almost got me, sister. The rain almost got me, beautiful. I was trying to get my breakfast. Ain't we looking good, y'all? We looking good. Hey, hey, there's the rain. We're restocking right now. Trinidad and Tobago came over and bought me out. That's why I love our next door neighbors. I love my people, period. Look, Baba, this is for you. Look who we got. You jealous, Baba? Are you jealous? Good afternoon. So anyway, beautiful people. Oh gosh, what's going on? Oh. So anyway. So anyway, beautiful people, I worked really hard today. Well, not really worked really hard today. I don't want to use the wrong words. I really don't see my work as work. My passion is not even work. So I was heavy into my passion today, let me say. And took quite a bit of energy, but it was good. It was all good stuff. It's just one of them, took all the energy type thing, like find somewhere nice and private. I wanted to come somewhere I was hoping nobody else would be in the restaurant, for real. But there's quite a few more than I would have anticipated. So I am going to sit down and still enjoy. My mouth's a little dry, so I guess they'll bring me something to drink. African lady, king I love you, king I love you. Yes, the song is stuck in my head. So the surrounding is nice. I think I got 3 out of 4. It could have been less people. That's only one. But the other one, the surrounding is nice. I know the food's good. Well, I had one bad experience, but for the most part, the food's good. Let's see. This will break the monotony of that one bad experience I had. So let's see what happens. So this is reservations for one, please. So anyway, beautiful people, you know what? One thing for sure, one of the things I love about living in the Caribbean, you can't do a full 360 without seeing some form of beauty. That's what people mean when they say the island is absolutely beautiful. Now, I'm not saying it's this type of beautiful everywhere, but it's a type of beautiful that happens. And this is just one part of it. You can't do a full 360 nowhere, though. Nowhere on island. That's the beauty of it. Isn't that nice? Good afternoon. I had a question about the frozen daiquiri. Can you do that without alcohol? Okay, so, or is that, would it make more sense to get strawberry daiquiri? Do you do strawberry daiquiris virgin? So which one? This one is 20. How much is a virgin strawberry daiquiri? Would that be it? Excuse me? A little bit less than 20. Okay, virgin. I like it frozen like that. Mango, peach, lime, and mixed berries. You have all the fruits? You only have strawberry? Oh, okay. All right, so can I also have a salad? Can you bring it out first? I hope you had it. Where the salad at again? Other salad? This Chef Super salad. Oh, man, are you serious? Why? You gotta have salad. I'm so sorry. So you have the lobster. The pasta. You have the pasta. You have all of them. Good afternoon. You have the Alfredo. Wait a minute. No, I want the seafood one, so it must be this one. Shrimp. Okay, shrimp, seafood or shrimp. That's two different choices. Shrimp or seafood. So what's in the seafood? Shrimp and everything else? But not, shrimp, mussel, scallops. Okay, let me have all of them. We'll take the, okay, let me have the seafood Alfredo.
So you're having the seafood Alfredo?
Yes. And you saying no. I'm thinking about trying some fries. Let me see, pasta. That's okay. It was something about the salad before. But that's okay. I ain't gonna beat you up about it. Could I please have something to drink before you bring my mouth is really parched. I really need something. Water would be nice. Yeah, so I think that's it. I don't know pasta. That's good enough since you don't have this. Let me have some garlic bread. Yeah.
Some garlic bread?
Yes. You can get it with or without cheese?
You can get it with cheese or without cheese.
Let me try a couple of both. A couple with cheese, 4 slices.
So 2 with cheese and
How big are they? Are they big or
not big, small.
so small like this? How much are they?
4 slices.
4 for how much? Okay. Let me have I guess 4. I ain't gonna be greedy. Let me have 4. Or maybe 6. We get 2 extra. Can you get 2 extra or you have to get the 4?
Okay, get 2 extra.
Let me have 2 extra.
So 3 with cheese and 3 without cheese?
You ever tried it with cheese?
No.
I don't really need cheese on my garlic bread. No, just please give me garlic bread. Yeah, nice garlic bread. That's good enough.
You're having the garlic bread first together with the meal.
I want it to come with the meal. But what I would like is the water. Crystals are healing. They all heal in different ways. I think I have on my citrine. This is my staple stone. Citrine enhances your artistic ability. Crystals are the simplest way I can put it, rock formations of the earth. So that's the connection to the creator. And they heal. They all have healing properties. But this citrine is enhances. Now I know why I was so attracted to it before I even knew what it was. I'm a craft person. I'm an artist, so it enhances that. So I figured that out, and I think I got pyrite on. Pyrite, the silver one, is I found this actually here on the island. The other ones came from all over. Pyrite is a grounding crystal, a great protector. Keep your feet planted, connected to the earth, like keep you standing up straight when all the evilness that can attack, but it's real. It works. It's energy.
You deal with products like sage and stuff.
Yeah, I love sage. I love burning sage. I believe it removes negative spirits. I believe that it cleanses out of space, and we all need to be cleansing. This is energy. This is energy, guys. A connection, just a conversation. So that's exactly what this is. It reminds me of human beings in a way. Energy is real. It's real. I didn't even know when I first came across citrine. I didn't know what it was. I was in South Africa. I didn't know what it was till I got back here to Grenada, and I went up to the crystal store, Spice All Jewelry, because I had a piece and they wouldn't let me bring it back. My suitcase went off at the airport leaving South Africa. Ding, 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 ding. I said I don't have nothing in my suitcase. I had a couple changes of clothes. I left all my clothes with the village people. And I told them I had a rock from my backyard. I didn't know it was a crystal. I didn't know. And they said, you cannot take that. You have to open your suitcase. You cannot. And I'm like, wow. So they know how precious it is, You know what? This is one of those moments where you just hustle and grind all week, into your passion or your business, whatever you do, and you be making it happen. And then I really feel this is one of those days where I really need to just be right where I am. I'm glad I was able to make it down here, lock that workspace down, So this is getting to see, what is this getting to see? Moving to another country, making it happen, having to make it happen, and then wind down and relax. This is the day of an entrepreneur. In the islands, a self-made entrepreneur in the Caribbean, in Grenada to be specific. Yes, love and respect, beautiful people. Cheers, beautiful people. Cheers. So look, the guy, I don't mean to be all close to the camera. So look, the guy says, just said I'm in a restaurant. And now it's a few people, ain't nothing. It's perfect now. Remember I said I didn't want a certain amount. I'm gonna be selfish how many people I want in the restaurant. I just wanted to be chilling. But the most beautiful thing is what I was saying about living international. You get to meet an amazing set of people. I'm telling you, that's the beauty of. You get to meet an amazing set of people. All right, people, so my virgin strawberry daiquiri is here. I meant to ask him for a little umbrella. Sometimes I be liking to feel like a tourist. So, I mean, the cherry's cool, but I be wanting an umbrella, a pineapple on the side, splitting down the glass, And some whipped cream if they got it. It's nice. It's nice. very nice. She said they only had strawberries. I like it. I don't want to brain freeze, but it's so good, y'all. Anyway, I'm hungry. It really was tasty. Imagine if she had the berries and the ginger. I don't know how they said they added all that thing. It was supposed to be peach, berries, ginger. But I don't know how she added all of that because the berries are prevalent on island right now. Ginger is prevalent. Somebody was just too lazy to go out and get them. They right here on island. Plentiful.